whispering shadows, I see your face. A siren's call, so soft, so rare. Morning violin, Japanese flute echoes in the night like a sad acoustic guitar, like old tall strings, shimmering notes they gently sing. Atmospheric drums, distant taiko thrums. In the silence, a world comes to life. Hum. Ethereal voices rise so high and clear. Choir singing a sorrowful yarn, whispering shadows in the moonlight. Beneath the stars, we find our mournful violin, Japanese flute, interwoven a melody of doubt. Ethereal calls in the dark of night, a siren song, a sweet